Today we see the practical number 4 study of Riccia. Riccia is belonging from Bryophyta. So the characteristic feature of Riccia is Bryophytes is the plant body is thalloid. That means they do not have roots, stem and leaves, and they mostly live in moist shady places, on bark of trees or on rocks. So one example, that is Riccia, we studied here for practical purpose. The plant body of Riccia is thalloid, dorsiventral, prostrate and ribbon line. A rosette is formed due to repeated dichotomous of the thalli. Dichotomous branching is there. The thallus is linear to wedge shaped, and apical notch is present at the apex, and at the middle region midrib is present. On the dorsal side, the thallus has two sides, dorsal and ventral side. Dorsal means upper side and ventral means lower side. On the ventral side, scales and rhizoids are present. These scales are present at the margins and the rhizoids arise from the midrib region. The scale is violet colored, multicellular and one cell thick. Rhizoids are of two types, smooth walled and tuberculate. The smooth walled rhizoids have smooth inner walls, and tuberculate rhizoids have tuberculate or peg-like ingrowths in the inner wall of the rhizoids. Sex organs are also present in the mid-dorsal groove and are embedded in the thallus. The sporophytes, however, may be seen as black dots when mature under the dissecting microscope. This is the morphology of Riccia. Here you see the dichotomous branching, green colored, flat coin-like structure is present on the moist soil. Here you see the dichotomous branching, then two sides, upper surface and lower surface. Upper surface is called as dorsal side and lower is ventral side. On dorsal side, mid-dorsal groove is present, and at the ventral side, rhizoids and scales are present. Here is the diagrams of scale and rhizoids. There are two types of rhizoids, smooth walled rhizoids and tuberculate rhizoids. Then we see the internal structure of thallus. For this, we will take the section passing through the thallus and then stain it with dilute safranin and mount in glycerin and observe under the microscope. Here you see this type of cell, that is cup shaped structure is seen here. There are two parts, two regions are there, storage region and storage region lower side, and on the upper side photosynthetic region is there. On storage region there is rhizoids is present, and in the storage region parenchymatous cells are present and the food material reserved in the form of starch. In photosynthetic region here it is loosely arranged, and you will see the air chambers here, and air chambers and photosynthetic region is filaments are alternately arranged here. At the top of air chamber, air pore is there, and in photosynthetic filaments there is chloroplast pigment is there, and here the photosynthesis is going on, and the food material is prepared by themselves, and this food material is stored in the storage region. Then we see, so this is the diagram for TS of thallus. Here you see the two regions, photosynthetic and storage region, and at the lower side rhizoids are there, and on the upper side this is loosely arranged photosynthetic layer. Photosynthetic filaments and air chambers are alternately arranged, and here the storage region is there. Then we see the, after this we see the reproductive organs.